Hi friends, today we have a new video with a new lesson and we will learn a new thing. So the lesson name is 2D shapes. So the first one we have in the 2D shapes is the square. Square. Here, this is the square. Okay, we have the square and like, how does it look and how many sides does it have? Okay, so it has how many sides? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the square has 4 sides. So this is the square. Let's go for the next one, which is the triangle. So the triangle, we draw it like this. Okay, how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides. So the triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides. So this is the triangle. So let's go for the next shape. The rectangle. Rectangle is similar to the square, but it has difference because this side is a bit longer than the other side. And we draw it like this. See, this is the difference between the rectangle and the square. The four sides are equal to each other, but the rectangle, these sides are like the same, and these are the same, but these are not the same. That's the difference between the rectangle and the square. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So this is the rectangle. Okay, let's go for the next shape. The next shape is the octagon. Okay, the octagon is, let me erase this first. Okay, let's draw the octagon. Okay, so this is the octagon. How many sides does it have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the octagon has 8 sides. So octagon has how many sides? 8 sides. Okay, let's go for the next one. The next one is the pentagon. Okay, the pentagon, how to draw it? Like this. this. Okay, so how many sides does the pentagon has? The pentagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So how many sides does the pentagon has? 5 sides. 5. So pentagon has 5 sides. 5 sides. So let's go for the next one. The oval. The oval. The oval. The oval and the circle and these shapes are different a little bit. They don't have a side, because if you turn this, they're gonna look like the same, and they don't have a side, like an angle like this. They don't have it, so they don't have a side. So what is the shape that doesn't have a side? The oval. The oval. It's a little bit like, not like this is a circle and this is a oval. So the oval has no sides. Also the circle has no sides. So that's also the circle. The circle has no sides. So this is the circle, has no sides, because you can't count here or anything. You can't count. There is nothing. So the circle is the same if you turn it doesn't have a side. Okay, so this is the circle. Okay, the oval after it is the hexagon. Okay, let's draw it. My drawing is not perfect. Okay, hexagon. Let's count how many sides does it have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the hexagon has 6 sides. So how many sides does the hexagon has? 6 sides. So let's go for the next sheet. Okay, the next one is the heptagon. Heptagon. So the heptagon has, let's see how many sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 sides. So the heptagon has 7 sides. 7 sides. So I need to learn this. The heptagon has 7 sides. 7 sides. And the square has 4 sides. So you need to learn these things. Okay? You need to memorize them. So how many sides does the heptagon has? 7 sides. 7 sides. Okay? Let's go for the next one. The Nonagon. The Nonagon. The Nonagon has, let's see how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm not perfect. Let's erase it. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not perfect at drawing. Okay, let's draw it again. Like this. Okay, I'm not perfect at all at drawing. Okay, this is so fun. Okay, funny lesson. Again. Okay. 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 So let's count. Okay, this is the most funniest. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, funny lesson for today. Okay. This is so fun. Okay. Let's count. I'll count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the Nonagon has 9 sides. I can't stop laughing. Okay. Okay. Oh, fine. It came 9 sides. Okay, 9 sides. For this is the most shit that took time. Okay, so Nonagon has 9 sides. Okay, 9 sides. So how many sides does the Nonagon has? 9 sides. Let's go for the next shape. The rhombus. The rhombus. The rhombus. Rhombus, it looks like this. I hope I know how to draw it. Okay. This is similar to the diamond shape. Okay, and always they say for us this is like diamond shape. And if you turn a little bit like this, it looks like a parallelogram, the shape that we're gonna take. So this is the rhombus. Let's see how many sides does it have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also 4 sides. So at the end of the video, we will have some questions and you need to answer them in the comments. Okay, so this is the rhombus. How many sides does it have? 4. Rhombus. Rhombus looks like a diamond. Okay. Semicircle. Okay, the semicircle is a circle but cut it in half. So we say about it is like semicircle. Okay, semicircle. So the semicircle has also no sides. You can't count them. It's not a proper side. Like you can't count it. No sides. Okay, let's go for the next one. Decagon. I hope I will know how to draw it. Okay, so decagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Doesn't seem good. Okay. Okay, this is a point. Okay. So this is the decagon. Let's see how many sides does it have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So decagon has 10 sides. 10 sides. Okay, so decagon, memorize this. Decagon has 10 sides. Decagon, 10 sides. Decagon has 10 sides. Okay, so let's go for the next one. The next one is the parallelogram. 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 I said for you before in the video, if you remember, I said that the rhombus, if you turn it, looks like a parallelogram. Really, if you look from here, it will seem like if you turn a little bit, it seems like a parallelogram. So the rhombus looks like that parallelogram, but if you turn it, okay? So we call this, if it's rotated, parallelogram. 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 Okay. Let's see how many sides does it have. Let's see. Draw it like this, and this one good. And make it like this. Okay, and like this. This is how that parallelogram looks. Let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides. 4 sides. Remember, 4 sides. The parallelogram has 4 sides. 4 sides, okay? So let's go for the next one. Okay, this is the last shape for today. And that was the last shape for today. Okay. I want to say for you a question and answer in the comments. If you really concentrate in today's lesson, I told you memorize some shapes. Can you tell us how many shapes how many shapes has 4 sides? 4 sides? And what are the shapes that are similar to each other? Like I said, the square looks like the rectangle, and what else? Answer in the comments. Okay? So for today's question, answer it in the comments and we will give the answer in the next video. So, 4 sides, how many shapes has 4 sides, and what is the shape that I couldn't draw it from the first time? Okay? And I sat laughing for like 1 minute or 2 minutes. So answer in the comments how many sides does that shape has, and what is its name, and how many shapes has 4 sides. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video. See you guys in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave us a gorgeous comment like you. Bye. Love you all.